AI influencers are literally breaking the internet. Fake influencer like Adriana Lopez is making over $10,000 per month. We have already made a couple of videos on how to make fake influencers with AI. But you have to do so many tasks and use many tools to make a perfect fake influencer. In this video, I am going to introduce an AI tool that is a specialist in making fake influencers like Adriana Lopez. Here you can create images and videos with constant character. I will explore the tool step by step, so watch the video till the end. Let's dive in. Introducing SynthLife AI. Your all-in-one solution for creating, growing and monetizing your virtual influencer. You can create fake models for TikTok, YouTube, Instagram and other social media. SynthLife allows you to create images and reels for social media and post them automatically on your timeline. To start creating your own virtual influencer, open your browser and search for SynthLife AI on your search bar. Now click on the very first link. After coming to this page, click on the login button from here. Now connect with your Google or Twitter account. If you are facing any problems, just enter your name, email address and a custom message as feedback. After that, click on the Google account. You will be redirected to this page. After coming to this page, we have to enter 2 celebrity names. For example, I am entering Monica Bellucci and Gal Gadot. After that, enter your desired hair type for your model. I am entering blonde. After all is set, hit the update button. After waiting some seconds, SynthLife will generate your virtual model face. You can see the result, how realistic it is. If you are not satisfied with the result, you can regenerate by changing the celebrity name, or just hitting the update button again. And here is our second face. That's also very good. After generating the face, hit start creating content from here to start your virtual model creation journey. Let's generate some images from here after coming to this page. First of all, we have to enter our model attire description. For example, I am entering pink tops, necklaces and white shorts. After that, enter the background element. Enter a proper description of your background. I am entering living room, white bed, sunlight coming from big window. Next, if you want a smiley face, then turn on the simple option from here. After that, select a pose. You can use random pose, body selfie, upper body 1 and an upper body 2. I will select the random pose. After that, select the number of images you want to generate and in the end select the image aspect ratio. The first one is for Instagram and Twitter, and the second one is for Instagram and TikTok. After all is set, hit the generate button from here. And here it is. It generates one image for us. You can see the quality of the image. Just awesome. I keep a similar face but change the background and the model dress. Now if you want to generate more images, just change the background and attire prompt, and then select the image number. I won't change this time. Let's generate 4 more images with the same prompt. And here they are. All of the images have the same face but in different poses. That's really incredible. Now you can generate unlimited images from your Instagram or TikTok account. You don't have to worry about consistent face or face swap issues. Alright, now let's talk about other features of SynthLife AI in the left tool panel. First of all, you will find dashboard. Here you can change or create a new model. Next, you will find images posted by other creators. You can download them and use them as reference images. You can also post in the community. I will discuss it later. Next, the Insta feed. Here you will find the trending Instagram post. SynthLife allows you to create images like these trending images. You have to select one image and click on Create Similar. From here, AI will create a similar image for you. To find the image, go to your Creative tab. You can see SynthLife is generating 2 images for us. The first one is high definition and the other one is low definition. It will take some time. Let's come back after some time. And here are they. You can see that it generates 2 images with the same pose and costume, but with our model's face. Now you can download the images by clicking on the download button from here. And if you want to save the image on your SynthLife gallery, then click on Add to Gallery. Okay, let's see the difference between high and low resolution images. The high definition image is really very good. Another one is also good, but far behind in quality. Alright, now let's move forward to the next step. Create image. Here you will find 3 options. First, auto-generate. Second, photo studio and last, image clone. Let's start with auto-generate. Here you can generate images without giving any prompt. AI will generate images randomly. Here you can generate NSFW images also. But I will skip it. You know why? Once you hit on the auto-generate button, it will start generating images for you. And here is the result. It generates 8 images for us in different styles and poses with the same face. Now you can download them or can add your gallery. And you can see our images have been added to the gallery. Now you can download them anytime and upload them on your account. SynthLife also has an auto-post feature. You can use it. Okay. The next image creator option is Photo Studio. We have used it earlier, that's why I am skipping this time. The next one is the image clone. Here you can use any reference image and AI will generate similar images with your model face. For example, I will use my previous AI model image. Just drag and drop the image here. Then select the image number and smiley feature. After that, set the creativity level. If you increase the level, it will generate a similar style image with changes. If you decrease it, then it will. Just swap the faces. Only after setting the creativity level, hit the generate button and here are the results. How beautiful they are. Just amazing. Let's add them to the gallery. That's perfect. Alright. Our next feature is create videos. You have to just copy a TikTok video link here and AI will generate a similar video for you with your model face. There are 2 options. The first one is to use your SynthLife created model, and the second one is to use a custom face. First I will use the SynthLife created model. Now insert a TikTok video link. For example, I want to generate a video like this one. Just copy the video URL and paste it on SynthLife. After that, hit the upload video button. It will start uploading the video. Once it is completed, it will start making your video. It may take some time. Let's fast forward this part. And here is the result. Now let's see a before and after version. That's perfect. If you want to use a custom face, select a custom face and then upload a model face and then paste the TikTok video link and here is the result. In this way you can create images and videos for your virtual influencer in one platform and post them on your account to make passive money. Now let me be clear about one thing. This platform is not for free and this video is not sponsored. I am telling you just about the platform. Alright friends, I will wrap up our video now. Before that, I would love to hear about your experience with creating fake influencers with AI. Share your thoughts and results in the comments section below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful. And subscribe to our channel for more amazing tutorials like this one. Thank you so much for watching and until next time, happy creating.